In this video I'm gonna show you the two ways to use camper mode in your Tesla. The old school method is as follows. Put your foot on the brake to start the car. Hold the foot on the brake and gently tap on the gear lever to put the car in neutral. Then you go to your main screen, go to controls, e-brake and power off, and press the parking brake. If you then set the lights to off, your rear lights will be turned off, but you will still have your daytime running lights. You can't turn them completely off due to regulations. In the new method, which came with an over-the-air software update, you can keep the climate on by just simply pressing the climate controls and press the on switch to keep climate on until you turn it off or the battery reaches 20%. You can now set your climate to whatever fits you best and will stay on even if you leave and lock the car. These settings do not save, they reset after you turn it off again. That is how you use camper mode in your Tesla. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Do you want to see more tutorials? Leave a comment down below. Until next time, goodbye.